this summit with high expectations, and it was delivered.
The summit was great.
Just connecting with each of them and sharing experiences was just fantastic.
To be able to see and to feel the people and to sense what are the needs of the market and exchange the ideas has been really, really superb.
The new facility is amazing. The amount of room we have to grow and build machines and integrate machines and develop new things was astounding.
I think the guys in HQ have put together a really amazing headquarters, and it's an honor to be a part of it.
The technology roadmap is, in one word, astounding.
I have been in the industry for more than 20 years. For the first time, I can see a solution that has a truly powerful impact in all the productive process. And for the first time, the digital manufacturing concept has become true, and that is priceless.
The display of samples are a realistic view of what the Highcon can do.
My impression is that this company is going to play a major part in revolutionizing workflow in packaging organizations. So just blown away this week.
First time to Highcon, and now I have the feeling this is the right place to work for the next years.
I believe that we will create really good partnerships, selling your incredible solutions to the customers.
Obviously, I can't go all the way with where we're going because Highcon's going pretty far, but what I saw short term is incredible.
It was illuminating to see the technology up close and to feel it and to touch it and to have all my questions answered and to also feel the passion of the people behind the Highcon product.
It's a game changer, it's the future for us.
Really invite any guys that want to be innovative in this industry to spend time in the facility that Highcon built. That is really a fantastic experience to visit.